Embodiments of love. Dear students, you should be the leaders of the country. Good and bad of the country lies on the destiny of the students. When students conduct themselves with good ideas, good behavior and good thoughts, the country will prosper. One sits in meditation. What is meditation? In life, everything is meditation. You go to office and work there. When you don't meditate on your work, how do you do that? While going to office, you drive your vehicle. While driving, if you don't concentrate on roads, then how do you reach there? Then what is meditation? Walking, talking, reading, writing, everything is meditation, meaning, concentration on one thing is meditation. Students concentrate on studying. Mother concentrates on her child. Worker concentrates on work. Farmer concentrates on field. Like that, each one concentrates on one aspect. Similarly, you concentrate on God. While discharging your duties, you should never think you are not doing God's work. Whatever you may do, everything is God's service. You offer all your actions to God. When you till the land as a farmer, think you are tilling the field of your heart. When you just sow the seeds in the field, think, I am sowing seeds of good thoughts in the field of the heart. To develop the seed, you also water it. Think that, I am supplying the water of love. To lead a spiritual life, one need not sit in solitude, one need no japamala, one need not go to forest. But one can lead the spiritual life by one's own work, which is done, filled with love. To get into spirituality, first, you have to recognize that you have lost unity as humanity. You should then develop unity. You should consider everyone alike. There may be body differences. There may be differences of opinion. But there is only one principle of soul. That is, the one, meaning God, manifested into many. So God always said, our relationship is permanent. We should take the path that will help us to arrive at unity and diversity. Meaning unity among diversified humanity. So, God says, as limbs are important to the body, as senses are important to body, the body is also important to society. All the limbs of society are bodies. The society is limb to humanity. Humanity is limb to the nature. This nature is the limb of the God. So, wherever you see, there is relationship present, like relationship between limb and the body. Then where is the scope for hatred? I know nothing. I am a fool. I don't have education. I am mean. Many feel so. You should never consider yourself like that. We see so many machines. We see rockets. In rockets, there are so many screws, nuts and bolts. Which part is more important in the rocket? Nobody can decide it. Because every screw is important. Every bolt is important. Every nut is important. In that big rocket, even if a small pin is gone, all will turn to ashes. In the cosmic form of God, everyone are like those screws, nuts and bolts. Based on your position and place, each one has to discharge his duties sincerely. Then this universe, which is a machine, will run softly and well, and confers peace. We should work for universal peace. The peace in the universe ensures peace in the individual. Because everyone is part of this universe.